So, here's our visitor. Hello.
Hello po.
And so, since we have our visitor tonight, he will arrive here tonight and he will gonna leave here this Sunday morning. So, he will use this room for his accommodation. And so, while I'm cleaning this room, eto, meron tayo ditong supervisor na natulog na. He is sleeping na. Sleep na sleep. Sleep na sleep. Hello. We finished cleaning the room, so we're gonna wait for him.